Just pour hot water over the toilet paper and you're going to be shocked by the result. This is the real secret that five-star Hollywood hotels keep locked away. Ever since I learned this trick, I've never had this problem at home again. To start, place a roll of toilet paper on a flat surface. Be careful because the water needs to be very hot. Slowly pour the water all over the paper. The goal is to make the paper completely soaked and super soft. Once it's fully wet, remove the cardboard tube from the center and throw it away. When it cools down a bit and you can grab it without burning your hands, gently squeeze out the excess water. Don't tear the paper. We're just removing the extra moisture. Comment below and tell me what city you're watching from. I want to see how far this tip is reaching. After that, start cutting or tearing the paper into smaller pieces, just like you see here. The texture should be soft and damp, but not dripping. Have you ever tried doing this simple trick at home? Comment below. I'm going to try this trick. Now grab a small plastic container like this one. This will be our base. Add a generous layer of the mixture to the bottom. You don't need to fill it up too much, just enough to cover the base. Next, add a capful of your favorite fabric softener, spreading it evenly over the paper. That's what's going to release that nice, long-lasting scent we all love. Then sprinkle some coarse salt on top of everything. Make sure you spread it well throughout the container. The salt not only boosts the fragrance, it also helps the scent last much longer. To finish, cover the container with a piece of aluminum foil. It doesn't matter which side you use. You can even reuse a piece you already have at home. Then poke a few small holes on the top using a toothpick. That's what allows the scent to slowly come out over time. And trust me, once you try, this trick you'll never waste. Money on expensive, useless products. Again, and that's it, our little hack is ready. So what is this for, you might be wondering? This is one of the cheapest and most effective ways to make a homemade air freshener that's right. It's natural, long-lasting, and you can place it anywhere in your house, the bathroom, living room, laundry area, or even inside your closet, besides making everything smell amazing. It also works as a natural mold preventer, because in case you didn't know, coarse salt absorbs moisture. It keeps the environment, and especially your clothes, free from mold. And the best part is it really works. Make several containers like this and spread them around your home. In just a few days, you'll notice the difference, and I'm sure you'll come back here to thank me. That's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Hugs and see you next time. Living room, laundry area, or even inside your closet, besides making everything smell amazing. It also works as a natural mold preventer, because in case you didn't know, coarse salt absorbs moisture. It keeps the environment, and especially your clothes, free from mold. And the best part is it really works. Make several containers like this and spread them around your home. In just a few days, you'll notice the difference, and I'm sure you'll come back here to thank me.